then it would be seen as a matrimonial asset.
Under the current law in England and Wales, if a husband transfers money from his account into...
That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the gas, I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the patient lasts. If you can move on past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a big nor budget. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror, he is no friend to me. It's not working out, baby. It's time to break. Leave in your mind, 'cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some
Dr. Joel Grogan. The producer is Ravi Naik. And hear from his friends and collaborators, including Jeff Manducci and John Holmes.
It was produced by Bill Dare, created by Bill Dare.
Bill Dare Comedy Alchemist with me, Hugh Dennis, on Radio 4 and BBC Sounds.
I'm Alex Krutowski.
And I'm Kevin Fong.
And this is The Artificial Human. Thing that I about for the China.
Move for Bio-Labour club maker William Viet is at an advanced stage with the clubs in discussions of the structure of a transfer.